So I'm going to do a quick review on the Sunbuck amp. So look, first of all, this was paid for by me. I am not sponsored in any way, not even my channel is monetized. So everything I'm about to say in this is my own personal opinion, and if anybody doesn't like it, stiff. So these are for sale on eBay and Amazon, and the thing that stands out about this amplifier is the price. I paid around 80 Australian dollars shipped to the door. That is hell cheap. That is like $2.50 US or like 500 Canadian. So the first thing is that they're actually advertising this thing saying it's 2,000 watts. And well, you don't really need me to tell you that's bullshit. 2,000 watt amp would be just absolutely massive. It's something that you see in an AC/DC concert, and you're certainly not going to get that for $80. Now, I've been using this to drive a pair of speakers, and they're rated at about 100 watts. Now, it is driving them, but nowhere near to their full capacity. I would say, in my humble opinion, that they're probably putting out about 55 watts per channel. Now, besides that blatant over-exaggeration of the awesomeness power, I really don't think AC/DC are going to be knocking on my door anytime soon asking to borrow my amp. But I will tell you, the sound quality is not too bad. In fact, it seems quite good. I'm pretty happy with it. I bought this just to use as computer speakers because I've several sets of Logitechs, and personally, I think they're hell overrated and hell overpriced. These come in a lot of different combinations. There's all different types that I've seen. Some have got Bluetooth, some have got this, some have got that. The one I've got here has a 5-band graphic equalizer times 2. You've got 5-band graphic equalizer for the left speaker and a 5-band graphic equalizer for the left or right. I forgot which one I just said. Anyway, for the other, I think that's a little strange. It's probably more for looks than anything else. It also has a USB and an SD input, along with a graphic equalizer. Strangely, it also has an analog bass and treble as well. So you can go and adjust all your graphic equalizer. Oh my god, my phone's ringing. Thank you. Take 2. Well, that was funny. So anyway, as I was saying, if I can remember my track of thought of track. Anyway, you adjust all your graphic equalizer and that, and then you've got a giant pot that you can adjust the bass and the treble. I don't know. It's a very strange sort of setup. 4 microphone inputs on the front of it. 2 of them have volume controls plus a master. Mic 1 has an input that has treble, mid, and bass, while mic 2 has echo and delay. So the only thing I could suggest this would be useful for is a guitar, and I certainly wouldn't be hooking a solid body electric guitar up to this thing, not if you value it or your speakers, that's for sure. Because stereo speakers don't like electric guitars very much. I could see it being used for an acoustic guitar, you know, maybe even a classical acoustic guitar, a steel string guitar, but definitely not a solid body electric guitar. And you know, pick a bloody put a foot pedal and stuff on it, and pop goes the speakers. Plus, as I said, I reckon it's only putting out about 55 watts at max, so it's not going to be sounding real fantastic. On the back, it has 4 RCA plugs, inputs, 2 RCA outs, which you hook up to which are powered. Or are they? Yes, they're powered, sorry. You also have the ability to connect them with bare wires or old-fashioned banana plugs. Yes, banana plugs. Haven't seen those for a while. It also has what seems to be, what says anyway, a powered input at 12 volt. Not sure what that would be useful for, because phantom power is usually 48 volts. So unless it's some kind of preamp or something like that, I'm not really 100% sure. If anybody knows about that sort of thing, feel free to comment below. So, conclusion. Would I buy this again? Yeah, I believe I would. I reckon for the price, it is absolutely a fantastic deal. Sound quality is not too bad at all. All the controls are analog, which I actually really like. It doesn't look really cheap or horrible. It seems to do the job quite well. It's certainly really good and loud for, PC speakers. Bloody a lot better than the friggin' Logitechs, that's for sure. I reckon for this kind of price, you can't really go wrong. Well, unless it shits itself, of course. But, so there you go. Well, I hope this was of use to you if you've decided you want to buy one. And, like, as per usual, if you don't like Vegemite, then you're a bloody communist. Just kidding. We'll see you around like a Rissole trendsetters. Till next time, I'm Jim.